Once you're applying for your monetization, there is a whole lot that you're going to do. There is a whole lot of process that you're going to go through. Okay. So, but I don't want you to make the mistake of filling the wrong form, doing the wrong things, and coming back all over again and risking your monetization. So, I'm going to explain to you in this video everything that you need to know with screen recording, how I did my own and it got successful. So, I'm going to show you step by step of what you're going to do to be able to fill in your monetization and to apply for monetization when you have reached your 4,000 watch hours. And again, it takes 3 to 4 days for YouTube to finally approve you of monetization after you have applied. Okay, but in this video, I'm also going to show you how you are going to fasten your own process so that it will just take you a few hours and you're already monetized. So stick to the end of this video. I'm going to show you everything, and I'm also going to share you the link, how you're going to do it, and tell you how the whole process is going to go. So once you have completed your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch time hours, it is going to take the system 4 good days to finally assess your watch hours and probably transfer it to the end tab. Okay, the reason why they are doing this is for them to finally check if your watch time hours are coming from the right source. Okay, so there are some people that do buy watch time hours, so but it is not allowed by YouTube. So the reason why they are taking time to finally take your watch time hours to the end tab so that they can ask you to apply is for them to check if it is coming from the right source or not. So but once it is 4 days, they are going to add it to the end tab, and then you see congratulations that you are now able to apply for the YouTube partner program. So this is the type of message that you will see after you have completed your 4,000 watch hours. So then when you click on apply, it is going to show you the steps to follow and apply. So in this video, I'm going to start by showing you the step-by-step procedure on how you can go about it. So I'll be using my phone to show you this particular thing because this is how I did it, and I'm going to be showing you the screen record of that on the screen so you can actually get it step by step. Once you click on apply now, the steps to apply will show up on the screen, and then there are 3 major things to do at first. Okay, the first is to review the base terms, and the base terms are the YouTube terms of services. So after that, you can now click on accept, and it will bring out the next step, which is sign up for YouTube AdSense. Okay, so AdSense for YouTube is a link of how you will get paid. So fill in the information correctly, please. Make sure you are filling this particular side correctly. Don't make any mistake. So once it comes to this page, it will ask you that if you have an existing AdSense account or AdSense for YouTube. There are 2 types of AdSense. The one that website owners uses to run ads on their website or blogs, and the second one is YouTube AdSense. Okay, so if you have an AdSense account before, you can actually use this. But if you don't have, this is your first time of doing YouTube or Google monetization, you can click on no, I don't have an existing AdSense account. So click on the second one since you don't have an AdSense account, since you don't have an already existing AdSense account, then it will bring you here where you will choose an account. Okay, you are going to choose the Google account linked to your YouTube channel. Don't choose another Google account. Please choose the one that is linked to your YouTube channel because that is what it is required of you. So after that, it will already copy your YouTube channel link as soon as you add the Gmail. Then add your billing country. Okay, so I will choose Nigeria as my billing country. Then read the terms of services of AdSense and accept it. So please make sure you read this thing so that you know if you can be able to put up with the terms of services. So after reading it, then you click on accept, set up an account. Okay, then the next step is to fill in the customer information. This is where you enter the personal information and make sure to use an address that is close to the postal office in your area. Okay, so you can get your PIN at the first attempt. So fill in the address, and for the address line too, I'm going to use my mobile number. The reason why I'm doing this is when my AdSense PIN arrives, I can be able to, like, the postal office can call me, okay, so that Google can actually write my phone number on the top of my envelope. And the next thing is to submit your information and wait for the review. YouTube will tell you that it takes longer hours for them to AdSense to finally review these things so that you'll be given an AdSense account. Okay, so it takes just few hours and the thing will be accepted as far as you filled in the right information, the necessary details. Okay, so after few hours and it is approved. Next thing is for the third one, which is the YouTube monetization, the YPP, the major thing that you're applying for to review and give you the acceptance. Okay, so in this particular one, if you don't abide by the YouTube rules, the YouTube monetization policy, you are not going to be accepted. Okay, so this is why you have to be careful of what you do on your channel. This is the major place that you'll be needing them to assess and accept you into the partnership program. So it will automatically start reviewing by itself. But I actually want you, this particular one usually takes 3 days or more than 3 days actually for them to finally review this and get you into the YouTube partner program, because there is a long queue of people applying for this particular thing every day. Okay, so but here is where I'm going to help. I am going to help you and give you a link of Google support, okay, and tell you what to do so that you can be accepted that same day. But note, it's not like an automatic access. It is not like a pass mark, okay. If you are not abiding to the YouTube rules, if you don't abide by the monetization policy, you're not going to be accepted. But if your channel is clean and free of anything at all, you're going to be accepted immediately you use this particular format to apply. Okay, so this thing is just for people that are free of anything. This is like you contacting Google one on one, talking to them and telling them to finally review your channel. Okay, so that you'll be accepted, so that you don't have to wait longer period like 3 days, even 1 month for you to be accepted. I will drop the link in the description box after explaining everything you're going to do. I'll drop the link in the description box. So look at the description box and follow the link and do every other thing that I will do in this video. So you have to be smart about it when you're writing them. You have to be smart about it. You have to write something that is convincing, and don't try to make them like force them into reviewing your channel, because you're going to be talking to the person one on one. And click on the link. It is going to show you something and it will ask you to input your channel URL. So you're going to copy your channel link and paste there. Then follow the prompts. It will ask you if you are looking for, like, it will ask you the thing that you want to do. So you're going to choose your YouTube YPP. You're going to choose YPP there. Fill in the information that you're trying to get your channel reviewed. So after that, it will ask you if you want to talk to them through email or chat. So I would prefer you to use chat, because you get to talk to them one on one. You don't have to keep on waiting for your email to be replied to. Process for a minute and this will come up, like that message box will come up and someone will actually come in so that you start talking to them, because you've given them a hint before that you want to talk to them about your YouTube partnership program. They are going to ask you and confirm if that is what you're trying to do, and you're going to tell them yes. Okay, look at what you're going to tell them in the message. Ask them if there is anything that is required of you to do so that your channel can be reviewed and approved and accepted into the system. Okay, but they are going to tell you that there is no other thing. And if it is a he or she will tell you that let them, that you should wait for a few moments so that they can actually look into your channel. So once they come back, they're going to tell you, okay, I have looked into your channel, that you have fulfilled the first and the second one, that the third one, which is the review of the YouTube partner program, is actually waiting, that you have to wait, because there are a lot of long queues. Okay, there are a lot of people waiting for their own to be reviewed, that you should just wait, that after you must have read the YouTube policy, if you are free of them, that you're going to wait so that they can review your channel. Okay, that is what they're going to tell you. But trust me, after you have dropped that particular chat, it is not going to take up to 5 hours and you'll be accepted. A lot of people have tried this route and it's worked for them, and actually tried it within 5 hours. My channel was approved because I didn't have any monetization policy issue. Like, my channel was free, but it's actually hastening the process. Okay, this is what this particular link is going to help you. It is going to make the process very easy. It's going to make them accept you very fast. You have actually chatted them, your own case is going to be among the first. Okay, so it's just like the person chatting you up is going to review your channel there and there. They're not going to keep your channel waiting because you've actually chatted them. They are going to prioritize your channel, but you are going to be accepted on the basis of clean channel. Okay, if your channel is free, like you are abiding to the policies, that you're not doing anything wrong on YouTube, they are going to accept you. Okay, so this is all you have to do, and please be careful. Every information you're filling, your personal details, you have to wait. Like, you have to look very well. You have to read everything very well so that you don't make any mistake. And after you've accepted, they will send you a message that finally you can actually earn through ads revenue on YouTube, and you follow up the next prompt that comes up to your screen. And I wish you success and good luck on your monetization journey. and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video and drop a comment in the comment section. Share this video to other people so that they can actually see it and watch it and tap from this information as well. And good luck and bye.